Creative, stop attacking your stuff. The pieces that you did when you were younger, the stuff that you did a week ago, a month ago, a year ago, the stuff you're not really proud of, the stuff that maybe didn't turn out right, maybe you didn't even finish. Stop attacking it. Stop putting it down. Stop saying it's terrible, lousy, nobody would like it. Have you ever seen an apple tree grow from a seed to a sprig, a sapling, etc.? Guess what? If you attack that thing while it's just tiny and leafy and green and doesn't have any apples, it will never grow any. You are like that apple tree. You start from a seed, an idea, a desire to create. You start to grow from there, putting in roots where nobody can see them, deep underground. You push those first tentative leaves out of the soil in spite of the horror of the world, in spite of pollution, in spite of everything else. You're succeeding. And little by little, you grow. You survive seasons, you survive changes, you survive animals, and you grow and you grow. And if you keep growing, the apples will come. Creative, you got to give yourself time. You've got to grant yourself grace. And you need to remember that the fact that you've been growing and maybe you're not producing apples yet does not mean that you're bad at this. It just means you're still at that stage of growth. Hang in there, deepen those roots, take in water and sunlight, and keep growing. You will get there one day. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.